Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Dope Trades. My name is Deepak and we will be taking a 5-minute trade on IQ option with the help of a price action strategy. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and do not forget to hit the bell icon. So without any further ado, let's get started and continue this learning process.
Hey guys, welcome back. We are now live on Euro USD, and as you can see, I've already drawn some key trend line and resistance. It was earlier resistance and now it's acting as support. So let's just wait for the right opportunity and then I'll take a trade and then I'll explain you the setup of why I took the trade with detailed explanation. Guys, as you can see, I've taken a 5-minute trade here, and the reason I did that is because the market was earlier moving in an up direction. So this was the retracement. The market took another short retracement, and you can see this was the trend line which the market broke recently, and that's the reason I've taken a 5-minute trade from here. So let's just wait how the trade goes and then I'll explain you the complete setup. Guys, we have lost this trade unfortunately, and yes, it was my impulse that pushed me to take this trade. It's a regret, and yes, this was not something that is with my setup, this strategy. I just wanted to test it out, but unfortunately we failed. We did not see any kind of strong movement from the buyers, and the sellers were dominant and they continued to push the market down in the downward direction. And as you can see, the trend structure has completely changed. This was our previous high, higher low, lower high. Market failed to test the same level again and has created a new lower high. So the structure, the trend of the market is about to change. The market will consolidate for a while now and continue moving the market in the downward direction. It will soon become a downward trend. If it finds some good support from the buyers, then the trend can reverse and continue moving in a new upward trend. So that is it for today's 5-minute session, guys. Loss and profits are very common in trading. One of the best advice, you could say, that I have ever received is to learn to book a loss. One of the most important factors in trading is to learn how to book a loss. If we can do that, yes, we can become a successful trader. If we cannot cope up or handle our losses, that's when we start revenge trading, and we cannot go against the market and win every single time. So we need to respect the market and take some losses. So that is it for the today's session, guys. Thank you for hanging around for so long. I wish you all a good day and a goodbye.